What's going on, guys? Welcome to this tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to make money online using a brand new method that we haven't talked about on this channel before. And I'm going to take you through everything step by step in this video. We're not going to miss out on any steps, and this is actually free for you to start and try today. You're not going to need your own website or anything like that, so it's not going to be complicated to go and code a website or none of that stuff, and we can actually use AI to do most of this for us, so it's actually pretty quick to set up. So let's get into this tutorial and I'll show you how to make money online. Let's get started. All right, guys, before we jump into this tutorial, we're going to be using free tools to do this. And one of the free tools we're going to use is ChatGPT, because we can use this to literally do anything now. It's actually quite insane how advanced this is. So make sure you get ChatGPT up and make sure you get ready with ChatGPT, because we're going to be using this to make money online with this method. The next tool we're going to use is called Sniply.ly. So you want to go and sign up and get yourself a Sniply account. And we are going to use this to make money online as well, as this is what we're going to be using primarily to actually run this particular method. And then we'll talk about the other things that we need in a second as we progress through this training. But first of all, I want to actually show you exactly what we're going to be doing and show you kind of step by step how to do this straight from the beginning. But if you didn't know what ChatGPT was, essentially you can put in a prompt, anything like give me 5 best books to read, and what it does is it will give you the 5 best books to read, and you can say about a specific topic if you want, or anything like that. Now that's not what this video is about, but I just want to show you what ChatGPT can do if you haven't really got yourself involved in ChatGPT before. Now the next website that we're going to be using in this tutorial is a website called Teemu.com. And what you want to do is you want to scroll down to the bottom of Teemu. You've probably heard of this website before, and you want to go and click on the where is it? The affiliate section of this. And then you're going to go to the affiliate page. Now, I was actually already signed in. I just signed out. But as you can see, you can earn insane amounts of commissions with Teemu. And right now, they're actually trying to compete with like Amazon and stuff like that. So they're paying out quite large amounts of money to people who promote their platform. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to find a website where you can download a YouTube thumbnail. So this is the one I'm going to use here. You want to go over to YouTube and you want to put in something like top Teemu products, for example. Okay. Now we're going to actually go ahead and click on this one right here. And this is a video called the top Teemu products. Now all we need is the video. So we're going to copy the video and we want to go over to here and we want to download that thumbnail. We're going to need that thumbnail, so download a copy of this thumbnail. Now the next step is we need to go ahead and sign into our affiliate account on Teemu. And when you're signed into your account, you can get these things called coupons that you can share. Okay, so you can share these coupons. This is what we're going to actually use to make money with this. So the next step is you want to then go and copy this YouTube video and you want to go over to Sniply and you want to go to create a snip. And then when we go to create a snip, it's going to ask you to put in that video, okay? And we're going to go ahead and do that, and we're going to go to continue. The next step is it's going to ask us to go ahead and create a call to action. Now, you are going to actually have to sign up to a trial. That's simple to do. You can go ahead and do that, and then you can continue on with this. Keep in mind, this is a completely free trial. Now, once you have your trial, you can go ahead and add your CTA. And I'm going to go ahead and I'd actually add that thing again. All right, so this is where we can now start to actually do what we're gonna do. So we're gonna have a video here that plays, and we can actually this video is gonna play in the background, and we can name this call to action, and we can go ahead and add a link. This is where we want to add our affiliate link, and we want to add the this one here. We can copy this link here, the coupon link. Sorry guys, my camera just went flat. We want to get the coupon link and we want to go ahead and copy this, and we want to go back and we want to paste that into here. And then we want to go ahead and add a headline. And we can say get Teemu $200 coupon. And then we can write a message if we like. This will last 3 days. And then we can do that, and then we can go launch snip, And then now this has gone ahead and created, and we can go ahead and copy the link. Now, when people go to the link, this is what they're going to see. They're going to see this video that they can watch on Teemu products, the best Teemu products. You can do this with any video. And you see, get Teemu $200 coupon here. This will last 3 days, and then you can go click here, and it will take you to the Teemu website where you would get a commission if someone made a purchase. So how can you actually go ahead and make money with this? Well, now that we've created our snippet, we can go ahead and copy the link, which we have. You want to go to Facebook. There's multiple traffic channels you can use here, but you want to go to Facebook and join shopping groups. And then we can use ChatGPT to go ahead and say something like, I will take this video here, and I will say, write me a short description for a Facebook post about these Teemu products, and I'll link that video. And then it's going to write me a short description here. Discover untenable deals, but it's not very good. I'll say, give me more detail. And you can tell it to write you different versions, right? And so I'm going to say, explain the products in the video. All right, this is quite a lot better. So I'm going to go ahead and take this now, and I'm going to say, okay, here we go. So I'm going to go to here, and I'm going to go and visit. And then what I can do is I can make a post. And we're going to upload that thumbnail we found, and we're going to go create post. And we're going to say, see this review of these Teemu products. And then we're going to take our link here, and we're going to go copy link, and we're going to go ahead and paste it in here. And this is going to be our link. And then once we post this link, right, people are going to click onto it, and they're going to go to that video that we had, and they can potentially click through and get the Teemu coupon. Or we could say something like, claim your Teemu coupon above. And then what's going to happen is when you post this, people are going to click on that. So that's really cool. And there's multiple channels you can actually do this through. You can keep doing it over and over again in different channels. Another way that you can do this is you can use ChatGPT to go ahead and write on medium.com. If we go to Google and we put in Teemu Medium, you will see that people are posting on medium.com articles about Teemu. Medium is a free website where you can post articles, and you can use ChatGPT to create these articles for you. Now, if I put in coupon, we will should be able to get some sort of example here where people have posted Teemu coupons. And as you can see, there's articles about specific Teemu coupons. Now, what you could do is you could go ahead and write an article on the top 5 best products, and you could post this video if you wanted to, and you can go ahead and put your affiliate link in an article on medium.com. But I'd recommend trying this as well. All right, guys, that's a quick way you can go ahead and start making some money online with the Teemu affiliate program, and they pay out really good money. I'll see you guys in the next video.